First, open the main case. Check that the drone body is in good condition. Make sure all accessories are complete. Take out the main body. Take out the left and right wings, and the left and right rotor motors. Check the arrow colors on the arms. Follow the rule, red for left, green for right. Install them with the arrows facing each other. Take out the red disc screws from the main case. Insert them into the matching holes and tighten. Insert the left and right wings into each side of the main body. Lock the latches. Take out the winglets. Insert them into the ends of the left and right wings. Press and hold the latch while inserting until it clicks into place. Take out the tail wings. Insert them into the left and right sides of the tail. Press and hold the latch while inserting until it clicks into place. Unfold the 4 rotor motors. Open the top hatch of the main body. Flip open the mounting plate. Insert the AA15 LiDAR into the Type A slot. Tighten the side locking screw. Flip the mounting plate back. Tighten the fixing screws. Insert the C5 nadir camera. You can also replace it with the C30 oblique camera. Tighten the side locking screw. Close the top hatch and lock the latch. Take out the battery. Press the orange power button to check the battery level. Make sure 4 green lights are on. That means full charge. Open the front battery compartment. Insert the battery and push it forward. Turn the latch to secure the battery in place. Press once, then press and hold the power button to turn it on. Close the battery cover. Tighten the latches on both sides. Finally, check all connection points. Make sure every latch is securely locked.